Imagine a world where your warehouse runs itself. AGVs make this a reality, revolutionizing lean manufacturing. They offer numerous benefits like reducing cycle time by consistently following an optimized, algorithm-driven path that accounts for real-time conditions such as distance, obstacles, and traffic in the facility. An AGV can effectively complete a 10-minute human trip within 5 minutes. Considering a 20-trip shift equates to 100 minutes per shift, that is $23,000 per year savings. Similarly, they also help reduce transport waste in factories, where a worker might take a winding path, requiring more time and distance to manually transport materials. An AGV, however, completes the same task more efficiently, reducing transport waste by an average of 50% and adding more value. They are helping in work optimization theories to enhance just-in-time production by delivering materials precisely when needed and reducing the need for large inventories. This reduces inventory costs and minimizes waste, leading to more efficient and cost-effective operations. So, it is clear that by integrating AGVs, lean manufacturing systems can achieve substantial improvements in efficiency, waste reduction, and workflow optimization, directly translating to cost savings and enhanced productivity. Visit i4verse.com to learn more.